Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our brand new webinar series organized by SJ Innovation. Today, we will learn about GoHighLevel Customer Relationship Management, its operations, key features, workflows, memberships, and most importantly, why you should choose this software.
What GoHighLevel is. GoHighLevel is a cloud-based software platform that offers a suite of marketing, sales, and communication tools to businesses. The platform is designed to help businesses manage and automate their sales and marketing activities, as well as streamline their communication with customers. Why GoHighLevel? Now, GoHighLevel can help businesses save time, money, and resources by consolidating all their sales and marketing tools in one platform. With GoHighLevel, business can automate many of their sales and marketing tasks, manage customer relationship management, create sales pipeline management, build landing page, create option for appointment scheduling, and lead capture form, and many more. Let's talk about pricing. GoHighLevel offers a tiered pricing structure that is designed to accommodate business of different sizes with different needs. The pricing tiers are for agency starter, it will $97 per month, and agency pro, where unlimited accessibility is there, with $297 per month. The great thing about GoHighLevel is it allows 14 days of trial period. If you decide to sign up for a paid plan after the trial period, you can choose the pricing tier that best fits for your business needs. And if you decide that GoHighLevel is not the right fit for your business, you can simply cancel your trial before the end of 14-day period, and that won't be charged to you. GoHighLevel offers a range of features designed to help business automate their sales and marketing processes. Let's start with the customized dashboard. GoHighLevel's dashboard is designed to give you a comprehensive view of your business performance at a glance. You can easily customize the dashboard, fit your specific needs with widgets that display key performance indicators, sales data, and other important metrics. With this feature, you can keep track of everything that matters to your business in one place. The next key feature of GoHighLevel is creating pipeline. With GoHighLevel's pipeline feature, you can easily visualize your sales process and track the progress of your leads through each stage. You can also create custom stages to fit your business's unique sales process. The features helps you to stay organized and focused on closing deals. The third key feature of GoHighLevel is add your leads. With GoHighLevel, you can easily add leads to your system and manage them through the sales process. You can also track lead sources, add notes and tags, and even automate follow-up sequence to keep leads engaged. This feature makes it easy to keep your sales pipeline full and your business growing. Another great feature of GHL is ability to send emails and text message. With GHL, you can easily create and send professional-looking emails and text messages to your leads and customers. You can also track open rates and click-through rates, making it easy to see which messages resonate with your audience. Last, but not for the least, let's talk about integration with other tools. GoHighLevel integrates with a wide range of other tools, including CRMs, marketing automation platforms, and project management tools. This integration allows you to streamline your workflows and keep all of your business tools in sync. Before we move on to the next topic, I would like to hand over the mic to our next speaker, Ishrat, who will be sharing more insights of GHL. Ishrat, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Shatu, giving me the opportunity. So I am starting with winning landing page. So why we use these landing pages? The landing page is often the first point of contact between a potential client and an agency. A professional and well-designed landing page can create a positive first impression, build trust, and encourage potential clients to engage further with the agency. GoHighLevel allows you to create professional-looking landing pages quickly and easily without any coding knowledge. The drag and drop editor makes it easy to customize the design and layout of your landing page. While building a landing page using GoHighLevel, you can start from scratch or select from a choice of themes to reflect the distinct personality and message of your brand. GoHighLevel offers a range of design elements as well as built-in analytics and tracking tools to monitor landing page performance. You can use add text, images, forms, and calendar to capture leads and integrate them with your GoHighLevel account. You can also configure the settings of your landing page, including the title, description, and meta text to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines. Now, let's take a look at the website. So this is a website landing page that we have created using GoHighLevel. To get a deeper knowledge about landing page creation, let's go to the backend. So as you can see, plenty of things are given here. We have used here section, rows, and columns. You can see there is a section, row, and column is given. Also, we used navigation menu, buttons, header, paragraph, form, and here is a calendar. So we have which we have actually created by drag and drop, as everything is given here. If you wanted to do any custom coding, you can also do that from open code editor. You can see we have put some HTML code here, and also DHL provides you automatically responsive web pages, so you actually don't need to be concerned with responsiveness also. So moving to the slide, and let's talk about what is the difference between website and funnel. The main difference between a website and a funnel in GoHighLevel is their purpose and the structure. A website is a collection of web pages that offer details about a company or group of people. A home page, an about page, a contact page, and other pages that offer details about the company, its goods or service, and other relative information are common on website. On the other hand, funnel is a collection of online pages that directs visitors toward a certain objective, such as completing a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, or setting an appointment. A landing page, a lead capture page, a sales page, and a thank you page make up a typical funnel. Converting visitors into lead or customer is the main objective of a funnel. So our next topic is automation. Automation in GoHighLevel refers the ability to streamline and automate repetitive tasks and process using various tools and features available within the platform. Automation can help businesses save time, reduce manual work, and improve efficiency, allowing them to focus on more important tasks such as growing their business and serving their customers. So let's have a look at a real workflow and see how it automates. You can see this is the meeting booking workflow. First, we set a trigger point, which means this workflow will activate automatically when anyone books an appointment by this calendar. And as a trigger, it's not necessary to use a calendar. You can use forms, custom date and times, contact tags, and many other things, as you can see here. Here, we have used a condition to filter out some contacts using if-else condition. If I go inside the condition, you can see I have filtered which contacts are interested and who is not. So I have basically made two branches to maintain contacts with leads in different way. Now, if the lead is interested, then the user will get automatically a confirmation email. On the next step, the user will receive another reminder email, as we have put here a waiting time on 24 hours before the appointment. In the next step, we can see after 2 hours of the appointment, user will receive an email for feedback. And one more interesting thing, you can send emails with dynamic data. you can see we have put contact.firstname here. You can send email. It will fetch actually the contact name from the form dynamically. And on the other branch, those who are not interested, they will get a different email. And you can see the go to here. It will again go to the condition and again check the condition and separate the leads. So it is basically a loop, you can say. Thus the workflow will work, and in this way agency will stay connected to their leads through this workflow. So our today's last topic is membership. So membership allows you to access training support materials, including video tutorials, webinar, and live chat assistance. You can create a course from scratch or use a pre-designed template. So after creating your course, you can add modules and lessons. Modules are sections of courses that cover a particular topic, while lessons are individual sections within a module. You can create as many modules and lessons as you need. To create course content, you can use various media types, including text, images, videos, and quizzes. You can also track students' progress and create customized reports and analytics. You can deliver the course through a self-paced online portal, a live webinar, or a combination of both. GoHighLevel provides tools for managing course delivery and communication with your students also. So you see, overall, GoHighLevel provides you all of the things which you need in one place. So that's all from my end. Thank you, everyone. And I'm passing the floor to Zabel.
Thank you, Ishrat. This brings us to the end of the session. Do you all have any questions? If so, please type it in the Q&A section. Do stay tuned for more exciting webinars that we will host in the future. Thank you.